Picked this bike up with 2,200 kilometers on it, and within the first 20 kilometers I got a HLU error, so the headlight unit error, and it's quite common on these things and it can be a pain in the ass to fix. So I got on Reddit, checked all the usual places, and I got a bit of advice to check the actual headlight connector as well as the fuses. So you want to pull it off and check your connection. See if it focuses. That screw there. And then if you get in here, let me turn it. There's another one there, and the same on the other side. You take those three out. This is the other side. Yeah, so if you take those three out, you'll be able to pull the headlight off and you can check your connection in front. Anyway, with this one, whoever had it originally snapped off the clip that connects the actual connection to the front of the light. So bumpy roads, it just rattled off. So if you do get it, just check inside there, because even if it isn't broken off, it can quite easily come off. So that'll be my first place to check. Then the fuses. So I'm sure you've already seen the fuse map, but you take off the seat cover. They're just in the back there, a little case, easy to check, easy to fix. I hope you don't have the error, but it's an absolute pain in the ass, especially when you get a new bike and you think it's all good.